using image-based lighting. Alright, in the last video I showed you how to make a 32-bit map, and the 32-bit map has a very large range of color and light into it. So now I'm going to show you how to use that map efficiently within Maya. So to get started, just create a scene with a few primitives. It's no big deal about what you use here. And in fact, if you want to get more savvy with it later on, I would say put a bunch of really odd materials in here too. Get some glass, and get some metals and all sorts of craziness in here. So I'm just going to throw some primitives in here for a few. Just like that. That's good. Kind of shuffle them around for a good composition. And I'm going to kind of aim my resolution gate at them so I know exactly what's going on. So when I'm in here, in the render settings, I got to use mental ray for this. And then I want the quality to be very high. Production quality. Then I'm going to go to indirect lighting and hit create. It's going to create this globe around the world, and then I'm going to go into here and go ahead and attach my new 8-bit onto it. So I'm going to use 8-bit at first, just to show you a difference of the two. And I'm going to go ahead and render this. Okay. I'm going to save this image, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that with the same, but this time I'm going to put a 32-bit map in the background. So 32-bit, and then I'm just going to go in here and render that out. And then save that image. Okay, between the two, here's the difference. Now see the background, how it's purple? Now the background has a very large array of light in the background. So the 32-bit map allows you to have that. It allows you to have a great deal of change. Now also, you have to make sure final gathering is on. Okay, so we're going to use final gathering for this part. With the 32-bit map, I'm going to just hit this. And you'll find with final gathering, it starts gathering the purple from the outer atmosphere, from the indirect lighting, and then attaching it and making it bounce into the shadow areas of all these. So it's more realistic to life this way. Okay, this one's not sitting quite on the floor, so I want to sit that on the floor. I also want to create another light in here. And that light, I want to kind of put it in the same position that the light is coming from. So in this case, it looks like the light's coming from this area right here. I want to match that type. So this light, I want to put on shadows, and I want ray tracing shadows turned on. So when I render this out, this is what I'm starting to get. Very nice lighting. So this is just the start of it. In the next video, I want to show you what else you can do in this background to make it even more kind of sky-like. Right now it's just really well lit because of the purple, but I want to show you how to get more dramatic looks in the background. That's in the next video.